Hello everyone, my name is Eve Young and thank you for clicking into this video. And today we're going to have a quick demo on one of my most recent iOS application projects named Oscar Pictures. And Oscar Pictures is basically a movie database and a movie tracker that helps you to learn more about those Oscar-winning films and also help you to keep track of your personal movie records. And the first time we're launching this application, it will automatically pull data from an external API. So currently, when we click on this app, it will show you a connection arrow, unable to fetch data from API because we're not connected to the internet. So this is just show you the arrow handling functionality. So once we are connected to the internet connection, it will actually pull the data and save it to local storage so you don't have to worry about the internet issue anymore. And boom, here we saw a list of all the information for the Oscar-winning film since 1990s. And as you will notice, we have two extra tabs. One is to watch, which holds all the films that you've marked in your to watch list. And currently it's empty, so there's a cute emoji letting you know you should definitely add something to watch. And there's a My Record tab, which tracks your statistics on the numbers of films you've watched earlier, and it's currently in your to watch list and the films that you've liked. And currently there's no record as well. Let's get back to the Discover page and try to click on one of the items. Let's do Nomadland. So it will bring you back to a detailed view and showing you more information on the specific movie, such as IMDb ratings, directors, and the production country, the production year, and also show you a short introduction for the film's plot. What if you want to know more about this film? You can simply click on this Learn More button, and an in-app Safari browser will pop up and bring you to the film's IMDb database. So let's scroll down a little bit, and what if you're interested into one of the writers for this film, Chloe Zhao? We can just click on the name and we'll get to another view. And as you will notice, here we have the blue arrow button lights up, which shows the go back functionality is enabled. So let's click on this to go back to the movie tab, and also we could click on this go forward button to go forward. Meanwhile, if you're encountering some internet issue, you can click on this refresh button to refresh the view, and also click on this sharing button to share this information to your friends and families. So now after checking the film, let's click on this down button, which will bring you back to the detail view. And okay, it looks like this is a really interesting movie. Let's add this to our to watch list. So tap on this, the button will automatically switch to a added button and letting you know this is already added. Let's get back to the Discover tab, and let's see for Coda. I've already watched this earlier and I really like this, so I can mark this as watched. Similarly, the button will automatically switch to watched. Let's get back to the main view again. And as you will notice, on the top right corner, we have a random button, which has the similar functionality as Google's I'm Feeling Lucky search button. So once you click on this, it will automatically pick one of the films for you. Let's try it. Okay, so Everything Everywhere All at Once. This is the most recent Oscar winning pictures, and I watched this as well, so let's mark this as watched as well. Let's go back and try random again. Okay, so this time it's Spotlight. Sounds interesting. Let's add this to our to watch list as well. And go back again. Let's check another one, such as Green Book. And you can also do this in landscape mode, which brings you a better view of this poster and the immersive experiences. Let's get back to the major view and to the regular orientation. And what if you wanted to search a specific view? You can click on this search button, and let's do Chicago, where I'm located at. Oh, guess we're lucky. They do have one film called Chicago, and we can search this by title to find us. And also we could do a search by genre. Let's do comedy, and yes, we do have all the comedies listed in this Discover tab. And what's more convenient is that you don't have to click on each cell to get into the detail view to add this to your to watch list or mark this as watched. You can simply do a left swipe and click on the add to watch or mark this as watched. Now let's get to the to watch tab, and you will see all the film that we just added to our to watch list. What if this is added by accident? You can swipe again and remove this from your to watch list. It will disappear instantly. Okay, so this is pretty much the same thing as in the Discover tab. Click this for detail, swipe for actions. Then finally, let's get to the My Record tab. And we will notice the numbers are updated in real time. So currently we have 3 films that are watched and 1 in the to watch list, and they're all liked. So after watching Coda, I really like it. I can do a right swipe here to like this. Let's like this as well, or unlike this, and the numbers will be updated automatically. So let's add some more films to make sure the statistics are working correctly. Let's watch this, add this to watch, and will be updated in real time. And you might already guess that we do have one more hidden features in the My Record tab. So after watching the film, you really want to save some of your thoughts about this film. You can click on this cell and get into a My Review tab, and click on this edit button. It will activate the functionality for you. You can use the slider to do your own ratings, and for this one, let's do 10 out of 10 and add some comments. Let's do great movie. We'll watch this again. And we tap on the save button and get back to our major list. Click into that again. Oh no, sorry, the other one. And yes, all your ratings and your comments will be saved. Even if you switch to some other tab and go back again, your data will still be saved correctly. And I also implement a data persistence for this app, so even though you close this application, you don't need to worry about losing all the data or your ratings. We go back to this again, and yes, the data are still saved. So that's pretty much everything on this application. Feel free to leave your comments below if you have any preferred features that you want to add to this, or you have any question about my implementations, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.